In this video, we're going to be talking about these things. You probably remember them from high school. They're called books. But now, thanks to artificial intelligence, did you know that each one can be customized to your needs? That's my ultimate Hitchhikers to the Galaxy book. Yeah, you'd actually be surprised on this bookshelf behind me how many of the books are fake. Okay, when I say that I read books, what I actually mean is I listen to audiobooks all the time. And in fact, that bookshelf behind me is almost entirely books that I originally listened to, and then when I actually wanted to build a bookshelf for the background of the studio, and then went on Amazon, purchased all the books, and put them up on the shelf. And the craziest thing was when I actually started putting them on the shelf, I started grouping them. Actually, I'm just gonna take this. We're gonna go bad audio for a minute. Just because this video is gonna be all about using AI to generate your own books and your own audiobooks, I wanted to show you my bookshelf a little closer. This section of books became like all my systems thinking. This was all my evolutionary history. This was like genetics and microbiome and health and business and finance and all of those different topics.